Compared to lizards, their jaws are incredibly flexible. A series of muscles, tendons, and elastic ligaments allow them to spread wide apart. Forked tongues are seen on all snakes, but only in some types of lizards. As for toxicity, about 15% of snakes are venomous, say 1 in 6. In comparison, that number is approximately 1 in 65 with lizards. Due to its length-to-weight ratio, South America's giant anaconda rules the snake world, stretching out between 6 to 9 meters and measuring about 250 kilograms.